Hello and welcome everyone. So this is a mock test based on our previous video on union and its territory. So there will be 20 questions, each carrying 2 marks. Each will have a penalty of 0.5 marks for wrong answers. So all these questions will be based on our previous video on union and its territory. So it is requested to go through the previous videos before attempting the test. So mention your comment in the comment section so that we can get to know about your scores. So best of luck, let's see. So the first question is, which of the following statements is correct? So to form a new state, the relevant bill may be introduced in either house of the parliament only on the recommendation of the president. Then to form a new state, the relevant bill can only be introduced in the Lok Sabha with the recommendation of the president. Then to form a new state, the relevant bill can only be introduced in the Rajya Sabha with the recommendation of the president. Then at last we have, to form a new state, president's recommendation is not required. So the correct statement will be the statement A. Then consider the following statements. To form a new state, the opinion of the state legislature is not binding on the president. To form a new state, the opinion of the state legislature is binding on the president. To form a new state, the bill needs to be passed by the parliament by a simple majority. Or to form a new state, the bill needs to be passed by the parliament by a special majority. So which of the above statements is or are correct? So we have the options as, so in these options only statement 1 and 3 is correct. So the correct option will be B. Then we have, consider the following statements. Puducherry was a former French colony. It consists of 4 regions: Puducherry, Karaikal, present-day Tamil Nadu, Mahe, present-day Kerala, Yanam, present-day Andhra Pradesh. Then after 36th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1975, Sikkim became the 22nd state of the Indian Union. Then in 1962, Puducherry became a union territory. So which of the above statements is or are correct? Options are this, so all of the above statements are correct. So the correct option will be D. Then which of the following statement is incorrect? Third Commission was set up by the President of the Indian Constituent Assembly in 1948 to consider the question of reorganization of states in India. Then Third Commission favored reorganization of states on the basis of language. Then the government in 1940 set up a high-level committee called Linguistic Province Committee consisting of Nehru, Patel and Sitaramaya to consider the Third Commission's recommendations. Then we have Andhra Pradesh became the first state which was formed on the basis of language. So the incorrect statement will be statement B, because Third Commission rejected the reorganization of states on the basis of language. Then we have, Sikkim became a new state in the union by the 32nd Amendment Act of 1974, 35th Amendment Act of 1975, 36th Amendment Act of 1975 or 37th Amendment Act of 1978. So the correct option will be C, 36th Constitutional Amendment Act of 1975. Then what is the correct chronological order of the creation of Assam, Nagaland, Goa and Mizoram? Assam, Nagaland, Goa, Mizoram, Assam, Mizoram, Nagaland, Goa, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Goa, or Assam, Goa, Mizoram and Nagaland. So the correct chronology will be C, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Goa. Then we have, Goa was declared as India's 25th state in which among the following years? 1987, 1988, 1989 or 1990. So the correct option will be 1987. Then which among the following state got birth with the Punjab Reorganization Act of 1966? Options are Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh or none of the above. So the correct option will be Haryana. Then Which of the following states were created in 1987? Options are Maharashtra, Goa, Arunachal Pradesh. Then Goa and Arunachal Pradesh, Goa only, or Arunachal Pradesh only. So the correct option will be B, Goa and Arunachal Pradesh. Then we have, what was the number of states in India after the States Reorganization Act of 1956, which recognized the boundaries of different states on linguistic basis? Options are 13, 14, 15 or 20. So as of 1956, the Indian Union had 14 states and 6 union territories. Then we have, in which year Manipur and Tripura became full-fledged state of India? Options are 1962, 1968, 1972 or 1980. So the correct option will be 1972. Then arranged Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Kerala, Maharashtra in correct chronological order of creation. We have the options as this. So the correct option will be C, first Kerala, then Maharashtra, Himachal Pradesh and Manipur. Then we have, in which year Andhra Pradesh was created? 1950, 1952, 1956 or 1960. So the correct option will be 1956. So Andhra Pradesh was the first state to be created on the basis of language. Then, which among the following was not a union territory before it was accorded the status of full-fledged state? Himachal Pradesh, Manipur, Tripura or Sikkim. So correct option will be Sikkim. Before giving the status of a full-fledged state, Sikkim was placed as an associate state. Then JBB committee, which was constituted in 1948, was related to which of the following? Industrialization of India, formation of new states on linguistic basis, national language of India or reservation for SC and STs. So the correct option will be formation of new states on linguistic basis. Then, in which year Uttaranchal was renamed as Uttarakhand? Options are 2004, 2005, 2006 or 2007. So the correct option will be 2006. So next we have, with reference to the procedure for the formation of new states, special majority of parliament is required for this purpose. Presidents should ascertain the views of concerned legislature to this effect. So which of the following statements is true? Only one, only two, both one and two, or neither one nor two. So the correct option will be neither one nor two. Then we have, which state was established as the 15th state of the independent India? Goa, Mizoram, Gujarat or Nagaland. So the 15th state was Gujarat. Then we have, who recommended the formation of unilingual state of Punjab for the Punjabi speaking people? Shah Commission, Fazal Ali Commission, JVP Commission or Third Commission. So the correct option will be Shah Commission. It was formed in 1966. Then we have, which of the following are recommendations of the Fazal Ali Commissions? It accepted language as the basis of reorganization, creation of 16 states. It rejected one language, one state premise. So all of the given statements are correct. So the correct option will be all of the above. So at this we come to the end of this video. So next video to আমি citizenship chapter 2 discuss করিম. So if you like the video, please share it and subscribe to our channel to get more updates. Thank you.